Happy Wednesday morning to everybody in PED 110. I'm your instructor again, Brian Kaprowski, and I want to go over the assignments that are going to be due tonight and what assignments are going to be due next week as well. So first of all, let's start off by looking at our syllabus here, and I already have it pulled up. Please pay close attention to the course calendar every week if you have any questions about the assignments that are going to be due, and please watch my video as you are obviously doing right now. If you're seeing this. So for tonight, keep in mind that the concepts 3 and 4 labs, the written assignments and quizzes are going to be due in addition to the exercise log. So for those assignments that are due tonight, consisting of concepts 3 and 4, you're going to click on your course content tab. I just want to go over this as a reminder and complete all the assignments listed here by this evening. In addition, tonight, your exercise log is going to be due. So again, you would click on that. I already have that opened up here to save some time. You're going to complete all of this, which you should have been recording for the last 2 weeks. Okay, record all this information on here. And then I want you to save that on your computer, and then you are going to submit that document here. So you're going to attach it where you says browse local files, find that document, upload it, and you're going to submit it here. And just to go over the log and what it looks like, remember you were supposed to be recording your resting heart rate in the mornings for 3 times per week, your body weight, your body mass index. Use that URL here to find that calculation, what active aerobic activity that you performed in. Remember to be very specific in the date, the day, and the time that you performed the activity, what stretches you performed, any recreational activity, indicate the name of the activity and the time involved. So you need to complete all those elements that are listed here for full credit on the assignment. If you participate in any kind of sporting activity, please list that here and the time involved. And if you belong to a gym or you have a weight training area in your home, please indicate the name of the exercises that you're performing, as well as a number of sets and reps that you're performing of that. Okay, so this document needs to be completed tonight. And then if we look ahead, so these exercise logs are going to be due every other week. Okay, you see it's due this week, but it's not due next week, but then you will be asked to submit the log the following week. So make sure you start on the next log today or no later than tomorrow in the class. Okay. So looking ahead, as we can see here, that's coming up this coming week in the class, we are going to go over concepts 5 and 6. Okay. So concepts 5 looks at the healthy benefits of physical activity. So we might have a good understanding of the benefits, but this chapter or this concept goes into a great deal of depth into exactly what is occurring within your body and how beneficial it is for you to be participating in a fitness program weekly. The concept 6 looks at how much physical activity is enough. So some of us might have the preconceived notion that maybe 10 minutes a day is good enough, but this book will tell you exactly how much physical activity that you should require to produce those positive effects within your body. Okay, just a reminder to start working. I'm going to say it again, start working on your next exercise log workouts no later than tomorrow. And because remember, the next exercise log you will need to submit on February the 17th. As always, if you have any questions or concerns in the class, please feel free to reach out to me anytime and I will respond to you in a timely manner. Take care and hope you have a great week. Bye-bye.